Quantum physics space field layers vs relativity space field. If by time overlapping in layers you mean whether time can exist as multiple coexisting flows or strata rather than a single linear sequence, then yes, there are ways in physics and speculative theory to describe something similar. 1. Relativity and layered time. In Einstein's relativity, time is not absolute. It flows differently depending on velocity and gravity. You could picture this as layers of time stacked depending on where you are in a gravitational field or how fast you're moving. For example, time on Earth's surface is slightly slower than time in orbit. These aren't separate universes, but overlapping layers of proper time. 2. Quantum superposition and temporal layers. In quantum mechanics, particles can exist in superposed states. Some speculative interpretations, like the many worlds view, suggest different timelines overlap until observation forces one outcome. That looks like time having overlapping layers of potential futures and pasts. 3. Cosmological time fields fits your quantum physics ideas. In your quantum physics framework, if space itself is layered by membranes or density fields, time could inherit those layers. Each layer might represent a different rate of becoming. Outer cosmic layer expanding with Hubble flow. Relativistic layer bound to light speed and mass energy. Subatomic, Higgs layer where time halts due to negative field energy. So, in this sense, time overlaps like strata in geology. Multiple layers exist simultaneously, but we only experience the one our physical state locks us into. 4. Overlap as interference. If time is wave-like as talking wave theory leans toward, then overlapping layers of time could interfere like sound waves, producing harmonics or resonances. This could explain why certain conditions, for example, high speeds, gravitational wells, or quantum states allow slippage between temporal layers. So yes, time can be modeled as overlapping layers. In relativity, different proper times coexisting. In quantum mechanics, superposed temporal states. In your own quantum physics, as membrane-defined strata of spacetime.